Hello everybody, we're on our way into the Howley Narrows. Usually I start at the Highway 401, but we're in the Narrows now. I messed up on the camera. So we're here with Mac Gillett Outdoors.
What's going on, guys?
So we're going to have a good time here in the Narrows. We're going to stay all night. Apparently it's supposed to rain like really heavy. So it's going to be a bit of a venture. So hopefully you stick with us and watch right through.
Welcome back to the Howley Narrows. This little trip is different. We didn't film much, and that was kind of the point. It was more about getting out, camping, fishing, and enjoying the peace and quiet. Sometimes it's good just to put down the cameras and live in the moment. Hope you enjoyed a little bit that we did capture. There will be a continuation video on this later in the future. Stay tuned.